Okay, so you like the idea about altcoins, which are crypto startups, and you want to know how to get started. Well, here's a super fast breakdown of what you need to know. Step one, you need a way to get your money, your fiat, your Canadian dollars, your US dollars into the crypto market. Now to do this, you'll need to sign up for an exchange. I like crypto.com because they have an easy to use app, a lot of tokens, and you can send money with e-transfers. And for those new to this whole thing, it's foolproof. Step two, if you want to buy a token that's already on an exchange, well, you're basically done. Select which token you want and buy it. But if you want to buy an altcoin that isn't on an exchange, and again, altcoins have more opportunity for larger returns, well, then you got a few more steps. Step three, the altcoin that we want to buy is Thonic, which is built on the Binance network. So we need to buy the Binance token called BNB. Step four, next, you need to send your BNB to your virtual wallet, like MetaMask. I like using MetaMask because they're more secure than a traditional exchange. And if it goes down like it did with FTX, then you're not out of luck and you still own your tokens. Step five, last, with your BNB in your wallet, go to a swap like PancakeSwap, where you can buy small hidden gem altcoins and Thonic using your BNB. Now, if you want detailed instructions from me to help you with any of these steps, just leave a comment and I'll send you a video. I want to make sure that everyone in the Thonic community has the resources that they need to feel confident about crypto.